Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Nur Sabah, your English teacher. In this video, I'm going to explain you your first chapter, The Old Brown Horse, in which we'll study about animals and the love, care, and ignorance we have given to them. This poem is written by Oliver Wendell Holmes, who was an American physician, poet, and polymath based in Boston. He was the member of the Fireside Poets and acclaimed by his peers as one of the best writers of the day. He also served as a physician, professor, lecturer, and inventor, and although he never practiced it, he received formal training in law. Before I start this lesson, I want to discuss an example as mentioned in your book. If you had a puppy or any other pet you love to have, you spend so much time with it. But when it gets old or can't perform the same task which he used to do, then all you want to do is to get rid of it. You won't care about its feelings. Am I right? What would you do? Actually, this poem tells us about the tale of an old brown horse who is now feeling lonely and retiring. It describes the state of being ignored because one is aging. The horse in this poem was once his master's deer. His master loved him so much and was very proud to ride on him. The horse was proud too for being so important for his master, for being the helping hand of his master. He had seen better days when he was young. But now, as he has grown old, he is not that important to his master. Now he has become old and infirm. His master has forgotten him. His master doesn't need his service anymore and travels through motor car instead of him. And the horse stands near the fence, exhausted and tired. The horse recalls about his pleasant past and the time he and his master spent together, when his master took care of him, but now his coat becomes rough. His presence is no more tidy as before. The horse stands near the fence, is exhausted and tired. As no one cares about him as before, he seems to be speaking to the people who pass by the field. Whenever someone passes by, the horse wishes to be noticed, loved, and cared for. So, in this poem, the poet asks the readers to stop for a while when passing by near the field, where the old brown horse stands and speaks few affectionate words in order to relieve his pain, in order to make him happy. The horse would love the touch of the person's young hands and would be grateful for the kind concern and shown to a horse. As per this poem, when the horse was young and able to work harder, then it was the dearest of his master. And when he turned to old age, his master threw him in the dust. Actually, this poem comes up with the bitter facts of our society. The message we learned from it is that people salute only the arises sun. When you get old, that means when your time gets end, gradually people forget about you and your value gets down.